property can crash, you're not going to make money. And I just say, look at the last 50 years. Property prices double on average every 10 years. So this is double fronted detached house, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Bathrooms are very important when you're looking for holiday lets. You work out how much to buy the property, how much to run the property, how much is housekeeping for a 4-bed house in Brighton, I don't know. Plus the most important thing is, can you legally run it as an SA? Welcome to Property Investing with Abby. On today's episode, we're going to look at how you find a property that's fit for serviced accommodation. Now, serviced accommodation, there's 2 types. You get properties in like cities, and you do short-term lets to contractors, business people traveling Monday to Friday. You then get holiday lets. These are my favorite because you can actually go and stay as well. And the holiday lets are in holiday places and they're set up for tourists. So we're off to Brighton because I've never been to Brighton and I would love to have a holiday home in Brighton. So we're on our favorite website, which is Rightmove, and we're going to go Brighton. Let's go for sale in Brighton. Holiday homes were more expensive, so we're going to go up to say 700,000. Now, one of the things we need to be aware of when looking for holiday homes is you don't want something that's going to annoy the neighbours. So for example, terraced house, unless the neighbours are B&Bs, you don't want that. So we're looking for quite a unique property that would work as a holiday let, a cottage. This one on the screen right now, it's perfect. You've got a distance from the neighbours, you've got parking, so you're not really going to bother anybody. So let's have a look. So this is double fronted detached house, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Bathrooms are very important when you're looking for holiday lets. Garden beautiful, nicely done inside. You can do a buy, refurb, refinance. So you buy it cash, refurb, do it up, which raises the market level, put a mortgage on, pull out that cash to use again. Or just go buy one that's already done. Then all you need to worry about is the furniture and pictures to make it in a holiday let. So this example on the screen, this is already done. Look at this, it's beautiful, it looks quaint. We could make this really, really nice and pretty so a family want to book it to enjoy their holiday to Brighton. Ground floor, we have kitchen, breakfast area, utility, conservatory, lounge, dining room. Oh, and we have bedroom 1 on the ground floor. Cha-ching! That's important because that gets what's called the silver pound. So older people that have mobility issues, that might struggle, love finding property where they can go away and it's got a downstairs bedroom and ensuite. This one has. Right, upstairs we've got bedroom 2, 3, 4, and we've got master bedroom. Absolutely fine. So we're a little bit far out compared to where the beach is, so we need to remember that look. People on holiday do like walking to the beach, they do like walking to restaurants, so we need to keep that in mind. Oh, look at this. 1995, it sold for 83,500. The year 1999, it sold for 133. The year 2023, 700,000. People tell me, oh, property can crash, you're not going to make money. And I just say, look at the last 50 years. Property prices double on average every 10 years. 90% of holiday let bookings are booking.com. So we've got the postcode in there. I'm going to leave the dates blank. Right, what I'm going to say is I want 4 bedrooms because I'm taking 2 adults, 2 children, and they all need their own bedroom. And we're going to go 6 and 10. And we're going to go for a long weekend in September to Brighton. Spacious home with fab view gardens and parking. So this is more SA-like. And you have got views of the sea there. So this has been done quite nice. Where's ours? Ours is here in Woodingdean. And that's there, which is interesting. Now let's go and have a look at this one. So this has been done really quirky. It's not really got a big garden. It's just got a little garden, and when you've got kids, you know you want to chuck them out with a garden, or you want a glass of wine a night with the garden. 1939. Oh, we've got a few more in Woodingdean now. What have we got? We've got a hotel. Interesting. And we got a 3-bed. Oh, so we've not really got what I would class as competition here. What you need to do when you're looking at service accommodation is you work out the nightly rate. So I'm going to say the nightly rate is £500 per night. This house is 700k. So let's think about the deposit we need to put in. So the deposit, 25%, would be 175,000. Average occupancy, well, in Brighton, you're probably going to get full occupancy, peak in the summer, and you're probably going to be lower in the winter. So why don't we go with 70% occupancy? If we do the average month as 30 days, so that means like 21 nights at 70% occupancy. So that's 10,500 that's going to bring in per month. You're going to have your cleaning, housekeeping, mortgage, and what we say is roughly what your turnover is, which is 126,000 for a year. 40% of that will be your profit, which is 50,400. Again, this is very rough, ready, dirty, and SA analysis takes quite a bit. You figure out 5 or 6 of your main competitors in the area, and you would look on Booking.com, Airbnb, Expedia, and you'd look at what they offer, what they do, because you want to make yours competitive. Then you do the proper figures. You work out how much to buy the property, how much to run the property, how much is housekeeping for a 4-bed house in Brighton, I don't know. Plus, the most important thing is, can you legally run it as an SA? I don't know Brighton Council. Do they make you go through change of use planning? All of this, but again, you can learn this on one of our courses, and then you know whether it's a good deal or not. If you're wanting to take the next step and you're wanting to get educated, come along to our 2-day seminar. And I can't tell you how good this 2-day is or why you should do it. Let's go over it. It's 2 full days with me and my team. We're going to take you through every property strategy, and we're going to help you build your wealth plan for 12 months. Now, this is either going to be 2 things you're going to do. You're going to come on the 2 days and go, this was absolutely amazing. I've got loads of knowledge. Yes, I'm going to be a property investor. Or you're going to come on the 2 days and go, actually, no, I don't want to do any of it. It's too much hard work. I'm just going to go off and carry on being in the system and doing whatever I'm doing. So click the link below and get your ticket to our Wealth Through Property event. Be part of the 1%. Do something different. I hope you've enjoyed this episode with Property Investing with Abi. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these videos. Like the video and give me a comment and tell me what you think. Would you stay at this cottage?